Hey, what's happening, guys? Jim here. Today we're working on the Polar Express. If you haven't heard the audio on this in the last couple videos I've posted, it sounds like shit. Think there's something either in the on the speaker or the speaker's blown. I don't know. I'm gonna open it up and try to clean it off or something. Because if you guys aren't aware, speakers are really just a big electromagnet. So it could have picked up some metal off the tracks or something like that. So I'm gonna get this apart and we're gonna see if we can find something stuck to the speaker in there. So there's nothing on the speaker. I think that I might have just either messed it up a little bit, or I just have the volume too high for it. So I'm gonna put this back together, and we'll try again, and we'll try running it again. Turn it down a little bit. Hopefully, it's not making that rattling noise. Okay, guys, got it back together. As you can see, there is no plastic dome over this or anything. The tender shell does not have anything like that. I'm gonna make sure that all these little nuts and bolts are tightened up, and I'm gonna start it up, see how it sounds. Most of the Lionel, or all the Lionel Legacy engines, have a box around the speaker to make it sound much better, and I'm not surprised that this doesn't have it, even though they're charging $100 for a little tender that they put a little bit of electronics in and called it a day. So I'll just button all this stuff up and we'll try to get it to sound good. Alrighty, now we're gonna fire it up and see what happens. See how it sounds.
This is dispatch. We are dealing with a situation, engineer. Stand by for my signal.
I'm gonna turn it up real quick.
This is dispatch. We are dealing with a situation, engineer. Stand by for my signal. Copy that. Out.
Sounds good to me. I'm gonna put this back together and we'll get it running again.
Dispatch, we are standing by for track orders, over. Engineer, you are cleared outbound, over. Thanks for that, dispatch. We are cleared outbound, out.